Will the Bitcoin halving save the crypto market? Well, let's take a look at the history of the crypto market, specifically before and after Bitcoin halvings. And it's pretty clear that if history does repeat, the next halving will or should save the crypto market, and we should see rising valuations of cryptocurrencies round about May 2020 onwards. Of course, history doesn't always repeat. It might rhyme sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't even rhyme at all. Of course, we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but the theory is that when miners are given half the reward for mining, they have less Bitcoin to sell on the market. Therefore, there's less sell pressure on Bitcoin's price. Therefore, the buy pressure wins out and you see prices go up after the halving. That's the theory. However, markets do change and they do mature. So yes, the crypto market is very young. You can tell that by the low volume and volatility, classic signs of a very new asset class. 10%, 20% swings in a day are nothing for anyone who's been in the market for even just a few months. Given that Bitcoin is still dominating the crypto space, I think it's at about 68% dominance at the moment. You will see the altcoins rising in price commensurately with Bitcoin's rises, if it rises after the halving. I also think there is a kind of perfect storm that's going to help the crypto space this year, and that is that a lot of stock markets are very frothy at the moment. They're very overbought, and I think that's only going to help the crypto space when a lot of that money, I think, will pivot into the crypto market round about the halving onwards. So we're looking at May this year onwards for the next leg up, if you like. And I think that markets do still change, they evolve. I was in the last bull run of 2017 and it was euphoria. It was new paradigm for the whole year. It really was a wave of enthusiasm, optimism, not just because prices were rising, but because the prices were rising, we were really believing that the use cases would go mainstream. You know, we're talking about provenance of goods, cross-border remittances, identification, those kinds of use cases that the blockchain would use. Everyone was talking about. These are being used right now. VeChain is being used in production in China for Walmart for provenance of goods right now. XRP is being used right now for cross-border remittances via MoneyGram and other businesses, and yet prices are in the toilet. Why is that? Because utility right now isn't going to affect price. Only speculation will. There isn't enough volume in the utility to affect the price. That may come in the future, but the next bull run, I believe, is going to be pure speculation once more. It may not be as dizzying as the last bull run, but it will come, I believe, because people are losing faith in fiat currency. Pick any South American country at the moment almost, and most people are losing faith in their economies. Fiat currency in general is being devalued in the West. Stock markets are really frothy. Where are people going to put their money? I believe a lot of that money will go into the crypto space this year, but we have to be a little bit more patient and wait until after the halving, and I think history will rhyme, if not repeat, and then we will see another new all-time high for Bitcoin. It seems that these days everyone who's got a crypto wallet, they basically feel like they're holding heavy bags. It's been a very long bear market. It seems to never end. There's always FUD, bad news coming out, ensuring that prices are low, getting lower. However, this is nothing new. This asset class has always had these prolonged bear markets with up to 95% plus pullbacks, especially in the altcoins, and close to 90% pullbacks for Bitcoin. Nothing new at all, and we will see new all-time highs because there will be a lot less sell pressure after the halving, and it will absolutely lift all altcoins as well. Not financial advice, but I'm buying a little bit of crypto now. I've already got my positions, but since prices are so low, I'm just adding a little bit every now and then to what I've got at the moment. What do you guys think? Do you think we're stuck in this bear market forever and it's all going to go to zero, or will we see the repeat of the effect of the halving and prices will rise after May 2020? Put your comments down below and I'll see you in the next video.